No, we'll be able, people that have webcams will be able to talk. We'll be able to talk back and forth. The only goofy thing is you got to push the button to talk. That's pretty cool. I like it. EMS pilot, I answered that one. James Lyon, should we have?
Hey Kenny, can you hear me?
Yeah, Danny Martin, I can hear you. You're the first person I've heard speak up at all, period. Hey, there's DP. What's happening, man? Question on the Instrum fuel burn. That's a good question because it burns more than the other helicopters. Another reason why we charge more per hour. I say 15 to 18. And you go through that PTS. And whether they're talking about certificates and documents, maintenance records, anything. I've been talking about the notebook. I got the smart pen. I've started working on that. Yes, I'm going to publish that notebook. And I joke about how instructors have tried to steal it or buy it, and students have tried to steal it. They really have. You're up at altitude. The biggest thing people really have trouble with is the approaches, and I preach this all the time. Airplane guys, when they go to learn to fly helicopters, they have a really hard time. And sorry, I've got behind. And I just want to say this is really cool, and I'm glad everybody that's here has signed in. And the next time, you know, we'll be a little more organized, and this can be just as much fun. I think the biggest thing is probably we need headsets. If you have the headset.
I've been doing a lot of flying in large areas, Chicago, places like that.